Pradesh, where the war for 80 seats is heating up. Remember, viewers, this is the state with the largest number of seats amongst the 543 seats in the Lok Sabha. Now, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has stated that the Congress has given the slogan Garibi Hatao in 1970, but still could not remove poverty for over 6 decades. He's also stated that the Congress has been ruling for 60 years and have misled the people by giving them the same slogans again and again. This, of course, comes in response to Shashi Tharoor's statement against the Bharatiya Janata Party, stating that the only thing they will be able to do in Kerala is open bank accounts. Meanwhile, Yogi Adityanath has also stated that while the Congress ruled, 50 crore people did not have a bank account. And he added, if so many people were deprived of these basic needs, then the Congress and its partners remain responsible for it. He's also pointed out about Prime Minister Modi's Jan Dhan Yojana, stating that the poor people especially have now been given their rights and they have opened countless bank accounts and have transformed their lives for them, of course. Let's in fact listen in to what the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh has said.
देखिए, गरीबी हटाओ, ये 1970 के दशक में कांग्रेस ने नारा देश को दिया है। गरीबी कभी हट नहीं पाई। कांग्रेस 6 दशक तक इस देश के अंदर, 6 दशक से अधिक समय तक उन्होंने देश के अंदर शासन किया और इन 6 दशक से अधिक समय तक दादी से लेकर के पोते तक उसी नारे को लगा करके देश की जनता की आंखों में धूल झोंकने का कार्य कर रहे हैं। सही मायने में अगर देखा जाए तो गरीबी हटाने और गरीब कल्याणकारी योजनाओं को ईमानदारी से प्रत्येक तबके को चेहरा देख करके नहीं, ईमानदारी के साथ बिना भेदभाव के हर व्यक्ति तक शासन की योजनाओं को, गरीब कल्याणकारी योजनाओं को जनधन अकाउंट से हो, फ्री राशन की सुविधा हो, 5 लाख रुपए की स्वास्थ्य बीमा का कवर हो, हर घर में शौचालय बनाने का हो, हर घर में नल देने का हो, या फिर 4 करोड़ परिवारों को मकान देने का हो। अगर आप देखेंगे एक लंबी श्रृंखला है ये। 80 करोड़ लोग 4 वर्ष से लगातार फ्री में राशन की सुविधा का लाभ प्राप्त कर रहे हैं। 50 करोड़ घरों को, 50 करोड़ लोगों को, गरीब परिवारों को जनधन अकाउंट खोले गए। यानी आज़ादी के 70 वर्षों तक देश के अंदर सबसे अधिक समय तक कांग्रेस और उसके सहयोगी दलों ने शासन किया। लेकिन ताजुब 50 करोड़ परिवार ऐसे थे जिनके पास अपने अकाउंट नहीं थे। 4 करोड़ से अधिक परिवार ऐसे थे जिनके पास अपना आवास नहीं था। 60 करोड़ परिवार ऐसे थे जिनके पास उपचार के लिए संसाधन नहीं थे, दवा के लिए पैसा नहीं था। 2.5 करोड़ परिवार ऐसे थे जिनके घर में बिजली नहीं जल पाई थी आजादी के बाद भी। 10 करोड़ से अधिक परिवार ऐसे थे जिनके पास रसोई का गैस के कनेक्शन नहीं थे। इतने लोग अगर कांग्रेस के कुशासन के कारण देश के अंदर वंचित थे तो इसका दोषी कोई और नहीं, कांग्रेस और उसके साथ के सहयोगी हैं, उसके पार्टनर हैं।
All right, there of course we've heard what Yogi Adityanath has to say, sharp barbs against the Congress party. He has given out a statistic after statistic of what the Bharatiya Janata Party has achieved as far as eradicating poverty is concerned, whether it is opening bank accounts of 50 crore plus people via the Jan Dhan Yojana, or even providing toilets or houses to the poor in the country. Meanwhile, my colleague Abhishek Singh joins us on the broadcast. Abhishek, take our viewers through what exactly Yogi Adityanath has stated. It is a very, very crucial battle for 80 seats in Uttar Pradesh. Another set of constituencies slated to go to polls in western UP on the 26th of April. All eyes on whether Congress and Samajwadi Party will be able to break through the Modi-Yogi duo and the double-engine government. That, of course, suspense remains regarding Amethi and Rai Bareli, but sharp attacks and sharp barbs being thrown at each other.
Yeah, getting back on Shashi Tharoor's statement, Chief Minister of UP, Yogi Adityanath stated that the Congress in 1970 statement that Garibi Hataos, they are still, the poverty could not be removed from the country. He also said that Congress has been ruling for 6 decades and have misled the people by giving them these kind of slogans. He has also said that while Congress ruled, 50 crore people did not have a basic bank account. He added that if so many people were deprived of these basic needs, then Congress and its partners remain responsible for it. This statement, he clearly said that Congress, after so many decades ruling the country, the poverty and the situation is miserable, and the reason behind it is Congress and their alliance. Yeah.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.